You're about to watch the Paulie Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
This morning I attempted to do an unboxing video. Unboxing of a product that I got in the mail. I got an email from a nice man named Alan. And he says, how would you like to try these vertical skewers? I said, well, I got some, but then I looked at it and he sent a link to it, and I'm like, yeah, send them. So here is the unboxing. Let's see what's in it. Nicely bubble wrap, big bubbles, and here is the box inside. So now I'm going to open up this vertical skewer box. That's what's in it. And here's the base. Oh, look at that. Nice shiny stainless steel. I'm sure it's easy to clean. It's advertised to clean easy. Got some, looks like pretty good rivets holding the handles on. Oh, we got some mitten hot pads. It says it's gift. Very cool. I love those handles. What else is in the box? These are the skewers. Got 3 different sizes. So anything that drips down in there will be retained. So whatever's on that skewer, you can use a spoon and baste it. And I really love them handles, I'm telling you. Very, very cool. Yeah, it looks like it's a good product. It looks like a really good product. And I will be doing another video, and that will be using it. And I look forward to doing that. And if you don't remember, I did do a video back in the day using a shawarma type device, and that was this one. And kind of a thicker gauge stainless steel. Only has 2 skewers. Doesn't have a hot pad. This dish isn't as deep. It's very shallow, and it's not as wide in diameter. And I'll probably touch on that again in the cooking video. But yeah, and there's a great risk. How are you supposed to remove this after it's done cooking? There's no handle. So, I mean, I did, as you will see right here. I had to think of a way to get that thing off of there without dropping it. You don't want to take all that time to make a great food item and then drop it in the charcoals or on the ground, right? So it worked out. I am looking forward to using this new vertical skewer, Brazilian barbecue, shawarma device, and it will be in a video. And I'm very thankful for the opportunity to try it. Yeah, this thing is on Amazon. The link has been down below during the whole video, so check it out. Very cool. You can make some really good stuff with it. It's gonna be a fun cook. Where will I cook it? I'm not sure yet. I may do it on the Weber kettle. I might do it on, I don't know, I'm not going to do it on the new smoker, but may do it on the Weber kettle. We will see. So stand by for that one. It might not be the next video, but it's coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Alan, for the opportunity to use this thing. And on Amazon right now, looking at it, it costs $24.90, $24.25 US dollars. Stainless steel. Check it out. Get one. Pretty good. Thank you. Until next time.